Hi everyone, welcome to NanoElearn and back to Python tutorial series. In our previous session, we have learnt about how to set Python path and access help utility on Windows platform. In today's video, I would like to talk about introduction to a lightweight Python editor which is Sublime Text. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. If you would like to know about how to download this Python editor Sublime Text and how to install and work on it, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Before that, I would like to give a glimpse of it. So far, we have been working with our Python editor, which is PyCharm IDE, which works perfectly alright. But some users or the programmers prefer lightweight software instead of using heavy softwares, and one of such lightweight softwares is Sublime Text, which is also used as a good Python editor. Instead of PyCharm, we can also use this Sublime Text to run our Python code. Though we have many editors in the market, many users or programmers prefer to work with this Sublime Text. The latest version of it is Sublime Text 3 version. We can also use it for free as an evaluation version. It will not ask for any type of licenses every time you prefer to use. Also, it can ignore we can ignore if it gives any prompts to purchase the license. If you want to use it for longer duration in your companies or for commercial use, yes, this is the right option. You must need to purchase it for long-term use. Let us see the introduction to the Python editor, which is Sublime Text. It is a cross-platform source code editor with a Python application programming interface. It natively supports many programming languages and markup languages. It is available for different platforms like Mac, Windows and Linux. It can be downloaded at www.sublimetext.com. As I just explained, Sublime Text 3 is the current version of Sublime Text. It may be downloaded and evaluated for free. Currently, there is no forced time limit for the evaluation copy. A license must be purchased for continuous use if you want to use it in your company's across projects for commercial purpose. For getting money for the real-time projects, yes, it's good to purchase it for long-term use. It costs $80. Yeah, these are some useful URL links related to Python. Let us see a practical demo. You want to download it? Yes. You need to type Sublime or simply Sublime Text and click on download link. From here, you need to click on this Windows 64-bit. You can see that the Sublime Text copy is downloaded. In this, once it is downloaded, you need to run the exe file, and it is like the standard installation process. You need to click on next, install to finish. I have already installed it. So once installed, you need to open the editor. It will open like this. It will open like this. You need to save this file in any system location, giving some name, say some text1.py with py extension, and you can type your own code. So for this, say I am typing print, simple print statement, say welcome to NanoElearn. To run the code, you need to hit Ctrl B. You can see that the code gets executed. This is how. Before that, you need to ensure that before running the code, you need to ensure that navigate to Tools, Build System, and select the appropriate programming language in which you would like to execute. So by default it would be automatic. You need to select your programming language to run the code. So if you would like to purchase the license, you can also do that from help option. Click on purchase license. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.